Hi all. Today I'll be talking about integrating cameras with ROS. So yeah, just a 10,000 foot view. We have a humanoid robot on the left, and you have a bunch of algorithms like SLAM, path planning, perception, and then there's ROS in between that's getting the vision or the frames from the vision system or the cameras all the way to the algorithms, which are analyzing the scene, and then they're taking some action to move the part, right? So that's essentially what ROS is. So I'll not be covering about all of ROS, but just the camera portions of it on how you can integrate your camera system into ROS. So what exactly is ROS? So ROS these days, ROS 2 is the newer version of ROS, and it's been around since 2017. And that's kind of the latest version, and if you're starting new with ROS, you should be using ROS 2. So it's basically a robotics middleware, and it provides abstractions and tools for hardware driver management, algorithm implementation, visualizing and debugging robot data. There are some tools for doing that as well. And essentially, it's a publish-subscribe kind of a framework. It allows you to take, sensor data, publish it, a bunch of subscribers can listen to it, and you can analyze that data, do things, and then again publish messages that can control other entities. So everything is publish-subscribe based. And the core concepts of ROS includes nodes, topics, messages, and services. I'll be covering them in the next few slides.